What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And we just got in a boatload more. Well, I say a boatload. It's a few cards. It's just the boxes make it feel like it's a lot, because some of these AMD boxes are huge. But got in some AMD cards, some 5700 XT Nitros, some 5700 XT Pulses. These are both Sapphires. And then a 6700 XT XFX. Power Color Hellhound, and then Power Color Red Devil. So these are pretty cool cards. This one, actually, I think I liked the Hellhound in this generation more than the Red Devil. Power Colors always kind of did some weird things, did some off-the-wall things with some of their naming and scheming and all that kind of stuff. But I had some kickback and some flack about my pictures on the web store. By the way, I am Brandon, and if you're new here, I do have a little computer shop. I started it at the end of 2023. It's been going good. I basically buy up bulk hardware. I break it down, test it, and then resell it individually. And I try to be priced around the eBay buy it now lowest available. So that way it's competitive. You don't have to deal with eBay and all those kind of issues, fees, taxes, that kind of thing. I have not hit my Nexus event, my taxable Nexus event in all states. So I do not collect tax in other states. Now, it is up to you guys that you should designate that when you do your taxes, but not everybody does. That's up to your own prerogative. But I do collect tax in North Carolina because that's where I'm based. My shop is bc-pc.com. There's a link down below in the description. If you ever want to come by, I'm there Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I have my hours. I need to update the hours on the website, but you can always give me a call as well. But yeah, so this is a load of cards that I got in, and I changed around my picture taking setup. So I kind of made a wall of boxes, and I've been setting cards right here and taking pictures with that in the background, because somebody was like, oh man, your pictures are horrible. And I'm like, oh, is the quality bad? Like, what do you need me to get a better picture of the card? And they're like, no, the background. And I'm like, oh, okay. Well, I guess I can see how that could come off as like, messy. And he told me, he was like, oh, if it's messy in the back, you're probably selling bad hardware. And I don't know exactly how those two correlate. But yeah, so I'm working on trying to get more organized and better equipped. So that way things are less messy. I know where things are at, that kind of thing. Still haven't gone through all this yet. Started to go through down here. Got like wires, and then this is like some of my small inventory items. I did a video yesterday. I started building this rack right here and started going through everything. I still got to go through all these boxes and then these graphics cards and stuff, because I am going to be building a bench over there. Put some of the computer case boxes up there, because you never can have enough computer case boxes with the foam. That's crucial. Got boxes of bubble wrap. These are some motherboards that I still got to go through and test. Yeah, so I mean, we're making progress. There's my boy. The middle of my garage is not piled with boxes anymore. Still got plenty of work to do, but we're getting there. I guess this is just like a home update. I was going to talk about graphics cards, but it's already changed gears. Over here is the Salad, well, the AI and compute workstation setup. So all the white units are on Salad. Then these two units, I have one of them on Flux Core or Flux Edge, sitting there waiting for compute jobs that have not come. I haven't had any yet, so I don't know what that's about. And then the other 3090, these are both 3090s, by the way. The other 3090 is on IONET. But like days after I put the first rig on there, I was encountering problems. I got it all sorted out. They closed it off, so it's no longer open to the public. They said they should be opening it here soon. So I've had the video of how to set up IONET literally for weeks now, but there's no need in me publishing the video because you can't connect anything right now to IONET. IONET is another AI compute platform. I actually really like it because they pay you just to have your system online and ready, whereas no other platform that I know of pays you just to sit there and idle and be ready. It's not much. Right now I've been doing about 0.8, so 80% of a coin a day, and their coin value is like $1 and change. So I'm getting about $1 a day just to stay connected, but it helps offset idle consumption of power. So yeah, that's kind of good. And then these are not AI compute. These are KS0 Ultras that I set up. I have going to the server power supply, which with these adapter cables, pretty trick. I like it. This whole setup is burning right at 322 watts. So these three, I have another batch of these coming in. So if you ordered any on the batch 2, those should be in the beginning of next week. I'm going to try to keep one for myself if they don't all sell through. The pre-order is still live on the website because I'd like to do 4 and see if I can get closer to that higher efficiency range of that server power supply. Yeah, and that's pretty much all that's going on here. In my office, it's a mess. Still haven't done any organization or anything. Still have like graphics cards all over the place. I haven't even made my way in there yet. So that'll be for last. First, it's getting all this under control. As you can see, I've made a pile. I'm gonna pull my dump truck down here, and all this pile is just going straight to the trash. I am gonna pull those computers out and put those in a scrap pile. Whenever I was testing, some of the computers were good, those desktop workstations. But then a lot of them, I plugged them in and no power, no boot, nothing, almost like maybe a burned out power supply. So I pulled the RAM out of them. I pulled the CPUs out, kind of stripped them down. They do have DVD and CD drives, but at this point I have like another 10 of them. I'm just going to scrap those. Got some dead power supplies. Yeah. So lots of stuff that's getting trashed. But my son's been out here with me. We're making some progress. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Boom, boom. Anyway, I am going to be doing a sale on AMD cards because I have too many of them. Hold on, I have a box over here too with more AMDs. Not to mention all the stuff. I have a bunch of AMD cards at the shop. These all have no coolers on them. I'm not sure. Should I just... Guys, comment down below. Should I just sell these? These are 5700 XTs. They have no fans on them. They just have the heat sinks. Should I just sell them as is? What do you think? But I am going to be doing a sale on the AMD cards that I already have in the inventory. So look out for the code down below in the description. And just a thank you to the guys that watch the videos and stuff. I have done sales in the past where it's like automatic and it's on the banner and stuff. So everybody that visits the website gets it. But this is kind of just throwing a bone to the guys that watch the video. So the only way you'll be able to know about getting this code, unless somebody shares it with you, is watching the video. So it will be at the top of the description down below. And I think I'm going to do like, I don't know, maybe 15 or even 20% off because I need to move through these AMD cards. We have more rigs coming. So, and I guess last but not least, I've been trying to figure out what to do with this. So this was a customer trade-in. Potentially, I thought he might have wanted it back, so I've dragged my feet on doing anything with it. It's got a 12600K, 32 gigs of DDR5. Yes, DDR5. And then it's got a 4070 Ti Super. So pretty nice graphics card. All inside of a decently nice NZXT case. Pretty good airflow on this thing. Has that big air cooler on the CPU. Originally I was thinking about cleaning it all up and maybe doing a giveaway PC because I haven't done one of those in a while. I know I was doing them at the beginning of the year, but I just got way too busy to try to do one every month. There's a lot that goes into giving stuff away, as funny as that sounds. But anyway, I guess that's just a quick little update. I'm gonna try to keep this around 10 minutes and we're already there. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to break the content up so it's not always behind the scenes or computer shop content. Kind of, going like back and forth, maybe 1 or 2 days of computer shop stuff and then 1 or 2 days of either crypto mining or compute workloads, that kind of thing. And people did ask me, am I still mining on any graphics cards? I do have 3 graphics cards mining at my office, but I don't have any graphics cards mining here at the moment. I do have some CPUs mining at the office, but I don't have any CPUs mining here. Just AI and compute stuff at the house. Oh no. Okay, I gotta go. He just hit his toe. Bye, guys.